Hello, what's up you guys? In this video, I will teach you how to use LSIGraph to climb the search rankings and drive unstoppable traffic in less than 1 minute. First off, start by entering your target keyword, country and language and click Analyze. LSIGraph will show you a list of keywords you can include in your project. Want to get that best bang for your buck? You can always sort your keywords by opportunity score. Click on the keywords you wish to add to your project and that's it. Once you are inside the project, use the keyword mapper feature to drag and drop your keywords from the project to the drawing board and start planning your content silo. Link keywords with an arrow and add remarks or labels. Everything you need to create an organized keyword map, we have it. Finish mapping out your content silo, simply choose your target keyword within the keyword mapper and LSIGraph will bring you straight to the semantic writer with your keywords filled. Here's something exciting. LSIGraph now has a real-time content scoring system that updates your SEO score. Keep tweaking your content with LSIGraph suggestions until you've reached your desired score. Publish your finished content and watch it skyrocket to the top of Google search. If you find this video helpful, like this video, subscribe to the channel and click on the bell notification button for more sneak peeks, updates, tutorials and everything LSIGraph. See you in the next video. Bye.